Understanding, it's not for me. A guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, it's not for me. This phrase is often used in everyday conversation, and understanding its nuances can really help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and discover what this phrase means and how to use it. It's not for me is an idiomatic expression used to politely express that something does not suit one's taste, preference, or interest. It's a way of declining something without being too direct or offensive. For example, if someone offers you a type of food that you don't like, instead of saying, "I hate this food," you can say, "It's not for me." This shows your disinterest in a respectful manner. Subsection 1. Personal preferences. Here, the phrase is used to express personal tastes or preferences. For example, do you like horror movies? No, they're not for me. Subsection 2. Professional situations. In a work setting, this phrase can be a diplomatic way to decline tasks or roles that don't align with your skills or interests. For instance, would you like to join our marketing team? Thank you, but marketing is not for me. Subsection 3. Social situations. In social contexts, "It's not for me" is a polite way to refuse invitations or activities. Example, do you want to go hiking this weekend? I think I'll pass. Hiking is not for me. There are several variations of this phrase that convey a similar meaning. Some of these include, "It's not my cup of tea," "It doesn't appeal to me," "I'm not into it." Understanding these variations can enrich your vocabulary and help you express yourself more effectively. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, "It's not for me," and its various uses in English conversation. Remember, using idiomatic expressions correctly can greatly enhance your language skills and help you communicate more naturally. So, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when the situation calls for it. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.